In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Facebook Marketplace effectively to find the perfect bike for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned Marketplace user or checking it out for the first time, this guide will help you make the most of your experience. Let's dive in and get started on your bike hunting journey. First, you'll need to head over to Facebook. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Facebook URL. This is your gateway to a world of possibilities. So make sure you've got a reliable connection. Once you're there, you'll need to log in, so enter your email address and your password. Remember, security is important. Ensure your password is strong and keep it confidential. As you log in, you'll be greeted by Facebook's familiar interface. Now look to the left side of the screen where you'll find various sections of the site. Click on the marketplace from this left sidebar. This is where users buy and sell items, and it's where your search for a bike will begin. Once the marketplace loads up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. It's filled with listings for products across countless categories. Next, direct your attention to the search box. This is a crucial tool in narrowing down your search for a bike. Clicking on the search box will allow you to input a keyword that will lead you to the listings most relevant to your needs. Think about what kind of bike you're on the hunt for. Are you looking for a specific brand, type, or size? Type in the keywords such as mountain bike or road bike, depending on what you're looking for. A little tip: being specific here can help yield more accurate results. With your search terms entered, the results page will display listings of bikes that match your criteria. Browse through these listings carefully. Facebook Marketplace has a lot to offer, so take your time and scrutinize the details, the photos, the descriptions, and most importantly, the price. Once you find a bike that piques your interest, click on it to view more details. After examining the listings and deciding on the bike that suits your needs and budget, the final step is to message the seller. On the product page, you'll find an option to send a message directly to them. This opens a direct line of communication, allowing you to ask questions about the bike and arrange a purchase. Be sure to maintain a polite and clear tone in all communications. You might discuss the condition of the bike, express your interest, or negotiate the price. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to navigate Facebook Marketplace with confidence. Enjoy your search, and may you find the perfect bike that meets all your cycling needs. Happy shopping!